Alright. So, if you're like me, and you suck at fishing, you will get to where your leader is too short. Pretty fun. Happens. So, at this point, we need to tie some tippet onto the end of that thing. Just so that we can use it longer. So, my leader is about, I don't know, 5 feet. I'm only going to add about a foot right now, because I'm planning on doing the old hopper dropper thing in the morning. Okay. So, surgeon's knot, right? Sometimes called a double surgeon's knot. A little bit redundant, but who am I to judge? I don't know shit. So, you cross your leader and your tippet. Get a nice circle in there. So it's a closed loop, see? Right in the middle here. You take your tippet side and your tag end from your leader. You run them on through twice. Okay. Clinch it on down. So that's all there is to it, really. So that's tied on there now. So that'll be ready for my hopper tomorrow. Clip off these tag ends so that they're out the way. Probably hit the camera. You'll be alright though. This is more difficult than you'd think. Not really. I just suck at it. So, there you go. Ready to go. Extended that by, it's about 18 inches. So, that ought to play pretty good tomorrow. There's your knot. Should make it so doesn't hurt you too bad when it comes to casting. And yeah, again, real quick, easy way to connect tippet to your leader to extend the life of that leader. And that's all I got. See ya.